Hi, this is Sarah Ackley with Tulip. I wanted to share with you this cool application that some of our engineers here have decided to put together to help really get people started using Tulip pretty fast. So, first of all, the insights that you get from this application is being able to see in real time the workload across your whole shop floor. So this is showing 3 different stations and what's in progress and what's in queue at each station. These will update in real time. So in a separate window, I have an operator terminal. So I'm going to go ahead and start something to be in progress. And you should see the analytics update in real time for station 1. So I'm really excited to share this application with you because I have seen it personally across a handful of different customers who really just need a way to start collecting data really fast and just to start getting that data so that they then can start to make insights and make more data-driven decisions. And it's a really great starting place. So this is just a very basic overview of, in real time what's happening on the shop floor. You can dive a little bit deeper and look more historically across the completions that have happened in the past and see sort of the average waiting time per station, also the average procedure time. You can do more comparisons across different stations, different users, and that type of thing. And then you also can dive a bit deeper. This is just showing a few different types of views you could have. So if we look at one that's been going through the process, you have this work order 003. You can start to see the procedure time and the waiting time, and just kind of how that has spanned across the different stations on the shop floor. So you can really, once you have the data, you can start to look in many different windows and analyze according to what's most urgent for you. So this is a little bit of the benefits you get. What I want to show you next is what is feeding this type of dashboard. So this is an application that would be displayed on each station, and it's really quite simple. So there's 2 areas here. There's the queue and then there's in progress. And so, you would load the queue up for that station. User could select off of that queue and could start the work. When they start the work, you can see it moved to in progress, and our real-time analytics updated to show what's in real time. And then if you want to complete, you go ahead and select the work that you're working on and you click complete. Something here to note that we haven't customized much in this application. This is really just to get started, start collecting some data, and see kind of what you can do with it. You can of course connect this to your ERP. You could customize a bunch of the routings. You could enforce a particular workflow so that jobs only go from queue to in progress and complete. You could force it so that there's only one job in progress at a time. Really, the world is yours. This is just a great foundation that you could really just start implementing today and start to see what type of data that you have from there and adjust.